a little update on my solar wobbler, the little witch that's running off potato power. She has slowed down quite a bit. You can see she's jerking more now, she's not a regular movement. That's over 24 hours that she was running on the potato battery. What I thought I would do, which I didn't do yesterday, was put the two batteries of cells in series, because at the moment they're all in parallel, so she's getting about 0.7 of a volt. So if I take that one off, she's still running. So that's just on one of the panels. And then if I connect the positive of that one to the negative of that one, and then I connect her across both of them, she'll now be running on about 1.5 volts. I think you can see the difference. That's something I meant to do yesterday. I was talking about putting them in series, and I didn't actually do it. I also cut up the remains of the potato and prepared another two batteries, I suppose you call them. A battery is a group of cells. So I could increase this up to 4 batteries. But she certainly enjoys having, in fact, she's going so well, she's clicking now, going right over to the stops. I wonder how long she'll last like that. With my original solar snowman that I did this with, I'd say he lasted for months. It was actually bigger potatoes. They were actually, individual potatoes about that big. And I can't remember how many I had. Oh, I know, it was 10. It was in a egg carton that had 10 divisions in it. So there was 10 bigger potatoes. And he kept running. They were actually dried right out, the potatoes. I could squeeze them and they were hard to try and squeeze. These ones I think will dry out quicker because they're actually sliced open. So they're actually dry on the outside anyway. But I'll leave her on that now. So 24 hours she ran on about 0.7 or 0.8 of a volt. But obviously it's dropped a little bit as they've dried out. But putting them in series, we've now increased the voltage. We've still got a fair bit of capacity there anyway. And yeah. She's happy with that. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.